How to schedule Instagram post. Start by opening Instagram on your device. Tap on the plus icon at the bottom. Now select a picture that you want to post. Tap on Next at the top right. Edit the post as you like. After you're done, tap on the Next icon at the bottom right. Here, tap on More options at the bottom. Make sure you have a professional account to enable this feature. Now in this page, select Schedule Post. Now set the date and time. Then tap on Done. Now go back. Then tap on Schedule at the bottom. And that's it.